Here, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Have you ever had anybody come out to your house because you might have been concerned that your heating and air unit was undersized? Maybe you got a hot spot in the house that you're concerned about? Stay tuned. Okay, so recently we had a heating and air professional come out to our office because we had a couple of spots in our office that just didn't feel cool enough. And upon further investigation, we didn't have insulation where there should have been insulation. But the answer kind of surprised me that they told us that our unit wasn't big enough. Now, that may be okay in most cases, but what we decided to do was to air seal the ductwork. And upon air sealing, we did a few calculations and a few things like that. We used the Aeroseal process that we are now certified contractors for. And we had a hole that was 77 inches by 77 inches. If you took all the little holes in our ductwork and you added all those up, we had over a 6-foot by 6-foot hole in our ductwork. We were losing 400 CFM of air. That's 1 ton of air that we were losing. Now, we only had a 2-ton unit. So if we had followed the heating and air contractor's advice and bought a 4-ton unit, we still would have been losing 1 ton of air. So what we did was we went ahead and blocked up all the vents and ran the tests and checked out everything and air sealed the ductwork, and we took that 400 CFM air loss down to a little over 100 CFM. So we are now recapturing 300 CFM of air loss. So if we had done what was recommended, like most people do, and I'm not trying to beat up on the heating and air contractors out there that say you need a larger unit, you may need a larger unit, but we feel like a couple of steps before investing in that larger heating and air unit may be appropriate. Like, first of all, making sure that your house is properly insulated. If you have poor insulation in the attic, which is the #1 place according to the TVA Energy Right program you should insulate, then check out the attic. See if you need some more insulation. By the way, did you know we're doing insulation now for Crawl Space Ninja? So I'll put a link down below if you want a free quote on that. Then make sure your air ducts are properly sealed. And we, like I said, use the Aeroseal process. It's the only patented process that seals the ducts from the inside. It's a really neat process. I'm also going to have a link below for you to check out our page on that. But anyway, if you've got somebody coming to you and saying, oh yeah, we need to take that 2-ton unit to a 3-ton unit, you might want to do those other 2 things first because you may only need a 2.5-ton unit. Think about it like this. If we had invested in a larger tonnage unit, we were still losing 1 ton of air, which means we were still wasting money. Now, we're only losing 1/4 of a ton of air, and we're capturing 3/4 of that tonnage of money and able to save money that we can invest in other areas. So my name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. I hope this video helped you out, and please like it down below and let me know what you think about it. Have you ever had a heating and air contractor tell you that you needed more tonnage and maybe it didn't do what it was supposed to do, or you didn't have the result you were expecting? Let us know down below. My name is Michael Church. We'll see you later.